Follow mo siya. Good morning. So this will be my first year-end motorcycle ride with Normin Ring Motorbikes, and as you can see, there are a lot of motorcycles already outside, and fortunately I will be riding the Ducati Monster. All right, so just stay with me, and as I prepare for the ride, allow me to take my time to wear my boots. B-roll. Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Hi, vlog.
Morning.
Ducati Scrambler. Amen. Morning, sir. Sir, what are we going to do today?
We'll have a breakfast ride.
Yeah, boy. Let's go. Tapos na ba lahat? So, this will be our ride today. Ducati Monster. As well. Let's have a quick. So, I'm going to wear my helmet now, and I'll see you in a bit.
Ebidensya na nandito tayo sa Baguio.
Wow. Go. We're in the middle of nowhere. Bukid lang sa background. Let's try to interview one by one.
So Swish, together with the family.
Yes, amen. Christmas wish.
Healthy and good lifestyle.
Yes, of course.
The best for next year. Alright.
The best for everyone.
Merry Christmas to you. Good health and success sa tanan, sa company. And good health.
Amen. Good health. Ayaw taka, sir. Lisod good ni ba, pero sige lang.
What's this?
Seryoso ito. Pero ang sapatos, sir, lisod kayo. Hiking pala to. Dula, sir. Careful, careful. Yes. Opya. One step at a time. Tabi po. Engage your core. First time. Naka-riding gear mountain trek. Jurassic Park. Wait ha. Opya. 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 Breakfast ride, naging breakfast hike. Sa kabilang bundok pa, Sir JC! Wait lang. Break sa. 1, 2, ready. Yeah, boy. Whoop. Ikaligyan ako sa sapatos. Pit na. Tuloy na jud. Kita ng kubo. Kita ng kubo. Kami da. Let's go. Ning kamot diya, Sir JC. Worth it ba? Ang view? Worth it? Worth it ang view. Go, let's go, Sir Mike. First time ni mo tuloy, sir. Diya to sila naligo. Sapa.
Dili.
Alahi po to. Supply lang kagwan. Pagkaon daan. Oh, at least, workout ka. Layo up. Ipaningot ko.
30 ha, girap.
Ning kamot diya, JC.
8 times 8.
Laban, Sir JC. Let's go. Kakayanin. Let's go, Sir JC. Let's go. Okay lang. Later on hurt yan, Sir Omi. Let's go. Yes. Success. Yan na. Mga konsay sa oras. Balik na to, Jim. Let's go. This is a farmhouse. A quick look of the farmhouse. So humble.
Kasi, di ba ako nasulog? Teka tulog.
Napalong siya. Wala ka response? Ako sa palungan akong kamera. Wala lagi, ako kan anticipate. Ha? Wala na ako na-anticipate ba nga? Layo, layo. Ako sa palungan niya akong pan.